Hey guys, welcome back. In today's session, we will be learning about the audio and video tag. In the last session, I had just given a brief about the audio and video tag. Today, I'll be executing them over here. So here I have my boilerplate code for the HTML or the about example.html, and here is the render page. So here I'm going to write audio over here, and let me just give you the controls equals controls because controls this provides the user to control the audio. Controls equals controls like this, and let me just close the audio tag. Inside I'm going to write the source src equals, so I would be requiring the audio file over here. Let me quickly just add that. I would have it's in the projects. Now let me just add a quick audio and video file. Audio and a simple video file to my desktop, and let's add that to the projects folder. Into the HTML. Over here, I guess now we can see that okay, it's in project 1. Just give me a minute guys, let me just put it back. It's in project 1 over here and over here. Okay, now I have added the audio and video file, so I hope now they're over here. So source equals, let me just put this over here and close and refresh this. Yeah, now you can see after refreshing that we got our audio input over here. So as you can hear it playing. So this is how we are going to provide the user with audio controls. Similarly, we can do that for the video controls tag. It is video controls equals controls, and let me just quickly add a source to it. Source equals, I have intro source src equals intro.mp4. This let me just make this a little bit width equals 500 pixels, and let height equals auto. Now the page should look much easier. Yeah, so this is how we add an audio and a video tag to our page. So I hope this was a very easy to go tutorial about how you can add video and audio to your web page. This would play an important role when you are working with web pages where you want to show let's say you want to show how to cook a recipe, or where you have to deal with audios in your web page. Thank you, and in the next video we'll start off with our project 1 of HTML. I hope everyone is excited for that. It's a very important and interactive session, so I hope that you would all learn from that. Thank you.